Hi friends! Today I'm keeping it really simple because I'm still not feeling well. Really low energy today. And I'm going to share with you my go-to no-cook Vanlife meal, a chickpea smash wrap. It's quick, protein-filled, and you don't even need a stove. Stay tuned. I'm going to start with 1 can of chickpeas, garbanzo beans, and I'm going to pour these into a strainer and drain and rinse them. Okay, into the bowl they go. I'm gonna smash them up. Sharpie is very interested in this whole process. He loves this recipe just as much as I do. So let me see if I can show you this. See, there's still some whole ones in there, but they are mostly smashed. To that, I'm going to add some roasted red pepper hummus, about 2 tablespoons.
For this, I'm going to measure it out a little bit, because I might need more, and I want you to have a good recipe follow along. Actually, there's not much left in this bowl, so I think I'm going to add the rest of what's in here. So we're going to end up with about 2.5 tablespoons.
3 tablespoons to be exact. And I'm going to stir that all together. To that, I'm going to add maybe a couple teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. I'm not sure how much I want to put in here. Just going to pour maybe a teaspoonful. Just to give it that little bit of tanginess.
It's sticking together really nicely with that hummus.
I smell it, but I'm going to add just another maybe drizzle here. Another teaspoonful. It'll give it that nice fresh bite. Now you can see that it's all smashed up and it looks like the consistency I want. Now you can keep it simple and add, you know, whatever you want to it. I have some cucumber here, some red pepper that's left, and I bought some dill today because I love dill. So I'm going to slice this all up. You know what would be great in here is, what about some apple or some grapes, or apple and grapes if you'd like it a little bit less savory and more sweet. That would be good. I just want to chop these. Sorry, I'm doing a horrible job. I have no knife skills whatsoever. I want to chop these at the same as the cucumber that I just chopped. The same size, I meant to say. And I'm going to use all of this because I don't want to waste any of this red pepper that I have. But you could use pickles, you could use any number of things in here. Okay, Now I think I'm gonna put some fresh dill in here. And like I said, I really like dill. So I'm gonna take these couple of sprigs here and I'm just gonna take them off the stems. I don't think I can have too much dill, but maybe you don't like it as much as I do. I'm gonna give that a quick chop. And now I'm gonna give it another stir, get all of those flavors incorporated together. Oh, my bowl is a little small. Everything is trying to escape. Try and clean up as I go as much as I can. I bought these wraps today. There happens to be a Whole Foods by me here. And I have a little bit of a spinach and kale mix left over. Just gonna put a few of those on the bottom. Put my mixture on here. Do our best to roll it up. Sharpie is really interested in this wrap that I have. You can't see him, but he's right below me here. That is so fresh with those cucumbers in there. Another winner. A little tangy with the red pepper. Really good. I hope you make this because it's so simple. You can see that even with the pain that I am in today from my side, this has radiated up to my shoulder now, it was simple and good. And please let me know in the comments if you tried it, if you like it, if you'd make it. And I'll see you again soon. Bye.